Hello everyone. Now market has just closed. Now we'll take a look and see how the levels we marked before market worked and what will be the fresh levels for tomorrow. Today it was a very boring market. It is not a great market for option buyers because it gave a nice gap up and it was just trading with very small range of points. So that is not a great market for option buyers. Now let us see what we planned before market and what happened at the end of today. So if you remember from the video, this was the supply zone we marked in Nifty 15 minutes. So the idea was once if the price go above previous high, we can enter long for the target of this 18630 level. But what happened? Market straight away opened very close to the supply area. So this is where I alerted everyone like it is going to open at the supply area. And even we entered 18,600 put somewhere around 55 to 57 rupees. And you can see it came like very much low. We entered it in the first 5 minutes itself. The premiums were high. All this fall, it gave just like 15, 13 points profit, something like that. And this is exactly where we exit from the trade. And if you see throughout the day, again, it went back to the supply area. It took resistance and it started coming down. So basically, once it worked from the supply area and it didn't go below previous high and it didn't break the supply area. It was just hovering there without, it didn't give any proper opportunity for intraday option buyers. And when I say we came out here exactly at this point, I asked to come out. How would I know there is a chance market can go back from here? It is no rocket science. First of all, you can see here, this is some important level. If you see price was taking support at this level and here it was taking some resistance, and definitely there is a chance when the price is above, it can take support here. Even if it go little below, there is previous high, it can also take support over there. So now what I did is I took one more confirmation on 5 minutes chart. If I apply super trend here, it will tell me that. So my super trend settings are 22. Now let me remove this line. Even without this line also, I know exactly price is going to take support here because of super trend. That is the reason I asked you to exit. There are multiple confirmations. One is the price. It was taking support. There is super trend. Even if it breaks, there is previous high as well. So I don't want to take any risk and I asked you to exit here around 70 change. And it went back to the same supply areas, but it didn't break that supply or it didn't fall much. So this was about Nifty. And now let us see what will be the levels for tomorrow. As this is like tested supply area, we don't no longer depend on that. So for tomorrow to go long, we need to wait for the price to go above this high. If it go above this high, which is also last month high, there we can go long. And to go put, we can also rely on this one. If the price close below, we can look to go put with the stop loss above this level. And to go long, this is one area where we can go long. Or if you see price taking support at this area, if you see any green candle, if the risk to reward is matching with that SL, then we can look to go long here as well. But ideally, this is where we want to go long. If market crash and if it fall here, this is where we want to go long. Or if it break this level, this is where we want to go long. Either at this place we go long, or if market fall and if it give opportunity, this is where we go long. And these levels are like for quick scalping. If the price go below, you can short it for this level. And if you see any green candle, you can aim for this target. Those things we can do during intraday. So that is about Nifty levels for tomorrow. There are no nearby supply on Nifty. Let me go back to the Bank Nifty chart now. So Bank Nifty also did the same thing. It didn't give any chance to trade. So for tomorrow, the levels will be this. This will be the supply around 44 361, and this will be the demand area. And as I said, we don't give much importance to this demand area. So what happened today? We thought like once if it go above, this could be the target. But what happened? Market faced resistance at this prior support. Earlier, this acted as a support, and now today the same thing. When the price came below, this acted as a resistance. It was unable to break that area. See, let me show you what I plotted. This is the chart as the market just closed. This is what I plotted during the day. So this is what I have shared during the day. So to go long, only if the price go above this. To go short below this level, because it is continuously taking support at this area. Below this, the first target is previous high. Even if the price go below, this will be the second target. As you see, after a long time, it broke this level. It came exactly to the target which we marked. And from there, even though there is no bounce, it was just hovering there. If we have seen any strong red candle here, there would have been another chance to enter put further below target. So these were the levels, like to go long above, to go short below. If you go short, this will be the first target. If the price goes strongly below this, we can enter short one more time for this target. This was the plan. Only it gave like one small 70-80 points of target, nothing much beyond that. So for tomorrow, this will be the supply area. If you see any rejection here, we can enter put. And if the price go above this all-time high, we can definitely enter call. And if you see any green candle here, then also we can go long. Going long, either after if market falls, we need to see from where it is going to turn around. If it falls, here we need to wait for some indecisive candles. And if the next candle take out that high, that is where we can go long. In the same way, if it didn't give you chance at the demand area, and let's say price started here, and if it break this supply area, there is also one area where you can go long. By any chance, if you see any gap up at around this area, wait for it to come back to this supply area. That is where we can go long again. Basically, that is it about Nifty and Bank Nifty. There is nothing much because there is no movement at all today. More or less the levels, whatever we marked this morning, will be same for tomorrow as well. Thank you for watching.